Hey guys, for this video, I'm going to show you how to create a form in Jira. So first of all, we want to go to Jira, and from here, you're going to navigate over here at the left sidebar, and you want to open a space or a project where you want to create a form in. And once you're here, you're going to see form over here at the navigation bar at the top. So you're going to click on forms, and once you're here, you'll be able to see create form. Then you're going to click on that. Then you're going to choose whether this is a epic or a task. So just go ahead and choose which of these two your form is going to be. After that, it will automatically create a template for your form. So you can go ahead and change the title of your form over here. Then you can also add a description below the title, and you'll also be able some default fields that have been added here in this default font. So you can always remove some of these fields if you want by clicking on these multiple dots at the side. Then you're going to click on remove from font so that you can remove them. And as for the other fields, you can also customize this by changing the title like so. And below that, you can also add a short description so that it will serve as a guide for whoever is going to answer this form. They know what to put in the answer field because you've added this description as their guide. Then if you want to add other fields or more fields, we'll just go ahead and choose from the fields over here at the right side bar. So you're going to choose the field that works best for your form. Then you're going to drag it over here into your form so that you can add that field. And you can also customize this field by clicking on the title and putting another question or a different title for that if you want. So once you've done your form, you'll see this share button over at the top. So if you click on that, you can go ahead and change the access of this form. So you can set it to private or limited or open. When you say open, this means that anyone with the link can answer this one. So if you have the access as open, then you can copy this link, then you can show it with anyone so that they can answer this form. Or if you're going to share this with your team, then you can also write the name of your team over at this bar so that it will automatically be shared with them. And you can also share this form in Slack. So I hope this helps, and thanks for watching.